In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your Google Slides into a video. I do not recommend you use the add-on called Creator Studio to convert your Google Slides into a video because some of the features are going to be disabled and your video is not going to be coming out how you want it. You see, it says you are using the trial version of Creator Studio. The add-on will still work, but some of the premium features will be disabled after the trial expires. You also do not need to have Microsoft PowerPoint installed for this to work to convert your Google Slides into a video. What you need to do is click on File and click on where you have Download, and then what you need to do is convert it to Microsoft PowerPoint. I do not have PowerPoint installed on my computer, you see. It's going to be opening, but it says enable editing. Then it's going to be coming up with some of the features are disabled right here. You see, some of the features are going to be disabled right here. You see, this account does not have Office yet. Office is not associated with the account, so that means that I do not have PowerPoint installed on my computer. What you need to do is you need to close out of this if you open it up and do not save. And what you need to do is click on this website from the link in the description. We previously downloaded the Google Slides into a PowerPoint video. So what you need to do now is you need to click on where it says drop or upload your file. I'm going to be clicking right here. Then you need to find where you have your file for the PowerPoint presentation, which is your Google Slide. Mine is in downloads. Click on that. Now it's going to be uploading your presentation into the website, and what you have at the bottom, you have all these settings right here. I'm going to be telling you what all these settings mean. You have right here every slide, which that means that every slide that you have on your PowerPoint presentation or your Google Slides is going to be converted to video. Now you have right here where it says by slide range. That means that it's going to be converting your video one by one on your slides. Now you have slide duration for seconds. That means how long it's going to be taking for each individual slide to change. I'm going to be changing it from 5 to 3. Now you have the video resolution. That's how you want the video to be. You can have it however you want. QHD, Full HD, HD, and SD. I'm going to be clicking Full HD. Then you have the transition. If your PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides presentation has transitioned, what you need to do is you need to click on where you have from presentation, and then it's going to be seen right here, transition from duration. That means how long your transitions are going to be taking on your presentation video. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to be clicking at 2. Then you have convert. That means that you can convert your slide to video once you got all the settings correctly how you want it. So click on convert. Now it says presentation has been converted successfully. What you need to do is you can download the video right here, or you can email it to yourself, but I'm not going to be emailing it. I'm going to be clicking the download now, and then you see your video is going to be downloaded and your video got converted from presentation to video. You see the presentation is playing in video form right here. You see, that's it for this video, guys, and how you can convert your Google Slides into a video. So please like, comment, and subscribe.